Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to enable message requests on X, previously known as Twitter. This feature allows anyone to send you direct messages, expanding your interactions, and making it easier to connect with new people. If you're ready to open up your DMS, let's dive into the steps. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is where you can access all your Twitter features and settings. Next, tap your profile icon. You'll find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you into your account settings, where you can make the changes you need. Once you're in, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This section gives you access to various options to customize your Twitter experience. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. This area is focused on your privacy settings and how others can interact with you on the platform. Next, look for the option labeled Direct Messages. This is where you can manage how you receive messages from other users. Finally, under Allow Message Requests, select Everyone. This will enable anyone on the platform to send you message requests, allowing for broader communication and connection opportunities. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable message requests on X, enhancing your social interactions on the platform. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your social media experience.